Good morning, students. Today we start fifth standard, second poem, The Great Grandmother. Great grandmother. Do you know what is mean by great grandmother? Grandmother's mother is called great grandmother. Grandmother's mother is called great grandmother. See, students, we can see great grandmothers on the wall only. Why? Because already they died. So those who have their great grandmothers, you are fine and excellent. Take care of them. See, I think you all seen your great grandmothers where on the photos only. I think your father or your mother or your grandfather, somebody, they capture the photos, I think, and then they kept them in a portrait manner, and then they always hang them where? On the walls. Okay, you do one thing. Just you find a photograph of your great grandfather, parents, great grandparents, and then write a description on them. Write a description on them. Tell me what will come in your mind whenever you just listen the word grandmother and as well as a great grandmother. It will give us something memory. It's a memorable word. Why? Because from them only we got birth today. So after future generation also it will be the same. After to my great grandchildren, I am the great grandmother or the grandfather. Yes or no? So great grandmother is a base to us. She is a base to us. With only we all today is living. With them only we are living today. See, we are the future of grandmother. See, we are the future of the grandmother or great grandmother. We are the generations of the great grandmother and the grandmother or the grandparents. See, children, grandmother says us many stories. Always, you just whenever you remember your grandmother, they say us, they say us many stories. They say us many incidents. If you have grandmother in your home, you imagine how your granny will be, how your granny entertain you people. Grandmother always say the stories, say the experiences. And also see, I think you all have your grandmothers in your home. So let's take care of them. Why? Because they are very important to you people. They are very important to you people and as well as us too also. From her only, today we all are seeing, we are all are enjoying this beautiful universe. Today we are enjoying this beautiful universe. It means they are the main base. They are the important resources. Yes or no? Yes. Here in the poem, poet describing about the great grandmother's death. See, already she died, and he was expressing after her death, how we keep her. We always keep in a portrait. It means in a photo, and then we always hang on the wall, and then whenever we see the photo, and then we just once wish her, and then we salute, and then see here the portrait always we keep on the walls, and see we never care them. Most of the time we keep on the walls and then we never care them. Please take care of them. Why? Because they are the very important resource. Today we are living, it means from whom you got birth, from them only. The great grandmother, after that your great father, great grandfather, after that your father, after that you people. So you take them. Take care the portraits of the great parents, great grandparents, and see we never care them. See, please care them according to me. But photo is the identification of ourselves. So it is the identification of ourselves. Same somewhere, because the genes will come from our parents or our from great great grandparents. So grandparents, great grandparents, and then our parents, genes will come. So they are the what? They are the main resources of our figure. Our figure, it means our body. So because we are always look like our father, our great father, our great grandfather, our great grandfather. Likewise only. See here. See myself in the future. See, it is myself in the future also. I will be the same. In the future, I will be the great grandfather to my great grandchildren, because they see me like that only. See, they are important resources. Here, the poet describing the grandmother portrait and explaining about our life, and then explaining about our picture, explaining about our face, our expression, our style of life, and everything. Let us we understand the poem through the text. See the poem, everybody, about the great grandmother. She looks at me. She looks out at me. See, she was on the wall. She looks out at me. She was looking out at me. It means she was from the wall. She was looking at him. From the yellowing photograph. See, from the yellowing photograph, misted over by time. From the yellowing photograph, it means getting old photograph, or discolored, already color gone, discolored, or getting old photograph, misted over by me. It means it is dimmed, already dim. It means the grace of the photo already had gone. The originality of the photo already had gone, because since from many years the photo always staying on the wall. No one was carrying that. So what happened? The photo was dimmed. Misted means dimmed over by the time. Great grandfather, it means nearly the photo there hung since from many years. It means nearly 70 to 80 years. So what happened? It is yellowing. It means discolored, getting old. Photo is getting old. It is a frank and serious look. See, from the photo, she was seeing very frankly, and then serious look. She was looking very seriously. She was looking frankly, straightforward, looking straightly, and then seriously. Her look was very serious. In the photo, her look was very serious. The photo was very old. She was looking at him, and then the photo was very old, and then see, the photo was dimmed, and then she was it is frank. Her face expression is frank and serious. See this. This is about the photo explaining by the poet Alan Malay. Her eyes are stern. See, her eyes are stern. Stern means very strict. Her eyes are looking like a very strict, disciplined, but they can laugh too. See, from her eyes, from her lips, we can expect a kind of smile, a kind of joy, a kind of happiness can be found in the facial expression of the great grandmother. And her hair is pulled back tightly in a bun. See, her hair is pulled back. And then tightly in a bun, and it means tightly tied in the manner of, in the, see, bun, just like a bun. Most of the time our grandmother, they tightly the hair pull back, and then they tie like that only. They tie like a bun. And see, one more thing, and on her black dress, see, and on her black dress, she wore a black dress. See this picture, black dress. She wears no jewelry. See, she wears no jewelry. Okay, no rings. Okay, no chain, nothing. No jewelry she wore. I never knew her. Yes, I never knew her. Yet I recognize myself in her. See, he was, she was, or he was. I recognize myself in her. We can recognize. Why? Because I have told you the genes will come from the parents, grandparents, great grandparents. So here I can recognize myself in her. He was seeing himself in the portrait of the great grandmother. And 3 generations later, see, 3 generations, it means great grandmother, grandmother, and then father and the children. It means the grandchildren. See, since from 3 generations, the photo was hung on the walls. The photo was hung on the walls. May my great grandchildren, see, may about his future generation, he was saying, may my great grandchildren feel as close to me. They feel as close to him. They feel as close to him. And as I now do her, as I now do to her, as now I do to her. Now he was doing. It means now he was doing and comparing to them, and then the future generation, it means great grandchildren, they compare themselves to him or Alan Melley. They compare to Alan Melley. Yes, our grandfather was like this, our grandmother was like this. They compare when they see the Alan Melley's photo, Alan Melley photo. It is about the poem, the great grandmother. Grandmother is one or another resource. She was me. She was me. It means she was a portrait of me. It means she was the one of the main resources of me. Why? Because I have come from whom? I have come from whom? I have come from my father. My father come from my grandparents. My grandparents come from their grandparents. It means the generations to generations we have come from. So the same thing will happen in the future also. Okay, you can see, you also collect the photos of your grandmother, great grandmother, and great great grandmother, and then you collect the photos and you collect the generations. You will know. Otherwise, you collect from your generations. You will collect from your generations. You will get documented everything. Then our great children, our great grandchildren can understand about us, can be known about us. It is about the poem, the great grandchildren, the great grandmother. Okay, this is about the poem written by Alan Melley. So, dear children, you do one thing. You take homework. In homework, you write a note on just grandmother, not great grandmother. Write a note on grandmother. You see your grandmother's face. If they are alive, see their face. If they are not alive, see their photos and write down your opinion on them. Write down your opinion on them. Okay. Thank you.